Hi, today we're gonna make a bulgogi beef with udon noodle. That's a beef we're gonna use. We use the New York strip. It's already cut it slice, but we want to cut it kind of like that. So break it like pieces. All right, and that's it. Then you're gonna put it in here, and we're gonna marinate them later. The udon noodle we're gonna use like that. We're gonna use about 2 bags. So all you have to do is udon noodle. So you cut it open. You open, yeah, like that. Okay. So you just put it in like that. And you let it sit near bit, and they will kind of loosen it up later. See, they're getting softer. You see, getting soft. See. So all you have to do is just cook it down a little bit, and that's it. Then you can drink the water and turn off the heat, and we drink the water. See, just like that. So we have to marinate them a little bit, and we just put some white pepper in it, and little salt, little soy sauce. Just sprinkle some sugar in it. Okay, and all you have to do is we have to put some water in it. So you just make them around. So break them. You see all the slice pieces. Slice pieces like that. Just loosen them up. And let the beef absorb some water. See, they will absorb the water. You see that drying up. It take time. Okay, then I'm gonna put some cornstarch in it. Like that. See, they little runny. That's maybe a little bit more cornstarch. Yeah, that's about right. And after that, we're gonna put some oil in it. See, like that. Okay, then we're gonna start cooking the meat. Okay, so we need to heat higher. So we put some oil in it. Put probably around 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Okay, then we're gonna put this beef in it. Here it is. Here they brown pretty easy. So turn down the heat a bit, medium. I think it's ready to cook them up. All you have to do is just cook them up like that. If you cook them, cut them thin slice, it will look a lot more meat. So, garlic, a teaspoon of garlic, chop up garlic, and gingers, chop up gingers, 1 tablespoon, and also some onions in it. The regular onions, or you can use regular jumbo onions or purple onions and anything. And I got some strips carrot. So we turn back the heat. And they are pretty easy to cook. The onions are real easy to cook. Okay. We're gonna put some bulgogi sauce in it. We put about 3 tablespoons, and also we're gonna put that Udon noodle in it. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce in it. Then we'll bring the color darker, see? The last thing, you put the beef in it. And then I'll put one teaspoon of sesame seed oil. One more teaspoon of soy sauce in it, and then maybe this will bring the color darker. And also the chop up green onion. So this will look kind of a little stickier, so that's what you want, you know. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is bulgogi beef with udon noodles.